In a bustling city park, Jake prepared a sneaky prank on his friend Tim by pretending to sneeze loudly next to him. Equipped with a concealed air horn, Jake let out a thunderous sound that echoed across the park. To everyone's surprise, this startle caused Tim to jump out of his seat and accidentally splash his ice cream on a passerby. Meanwhile, the crowd giggled as the once grumpy passerby joined in on the laughter, hands dripping with vanilla swirl. This unexpected chain of events turned a simple prank into an unforgettable comedy moment, reminding everyone that sometimes laughs come from the least expected places.